Have you ever turned the key or pressed the start button only for nothing to happen? No engine noise, no cranking, just silence. That's what we call a no crank, no start condition. In today's video, I'll break down the most common causes of this frustrating issue and help you figure out what might be going on with your car. 1. Dead or weak battery. The number one culprit is a dead or low battery. If the battery doesn't have enough charge, it can't provide power to the starter motor. A common sign is hearing rapid clicking sounds or seeing the dashboard lights dim or flicker when you try to start the car. Try jump-starting the vehicle. If it starts, the battery is likely the issue. Also, inspect the battery terminals for corrosion. Even a fully charged battery won't work properly if corrosion is blocking the connection. 2. Blown fuses or faulty relays. Blown fuses or a bad starter relay can interrupt power to the starting system. Check your fuse box for any blown fuses related to the starter or ignition system. You can also try swapping the starter relay with another identical one in your vehicle. If the car starts after the swap, you found the problem. 3. Neutral safety switch, automatic, or clutch safety switch, manual. If you have an automatic transmission, the neutral safety switch prevents the engine from starting unless the gear is in park or neutral. Try shifting to neutral and starting the car again. Sometimes that works when park doesn't. For manual transmissions, the clutch safety switch serves a similar purpose. If it fails, your car won't crank even if everything else is working properly. 4. Faulty ignition switch. The ignition switch sends electrical power to the starter motor. If it's worn out or defective, it might not send the signal needed to start the engine. You may see dashboard lights turn on, but the starter won't engage. 5. Bad starter motor. The starter motor is what turns your engine over. If it's faulty, due to worn brushes, a failed solenoid, or internal damage, it won't crank the engine. This is often accompanied by a single click or no sound at all when trying to start. 6. Anti-theft system malfunction. Modern vehicles come with immobilizer systems that prevent the engine from starting without the correct key or key fob. If the system fails or doesn't recognize the key, it can trigger a no-crank condition. Look for an illuminated anti-theft light on the dashboard while turning the key. That's a clear clue. 7. Loose or damaged wiring. Damaged wires or loose connections, especially at the battery, starter motor, or ground terminals, can stop electricity from reaching the starter. Check all visible wiring for wear, corrosion, or looseness. 8. Seized engine. In rare cases, the engine itself may be locked up due to internal failure, such as lack of oil or severe overheating. If the engine is seized, even a good starter motor won't be able to turn it over. 9. Faulty computer modules, ECM, BCM. Lastly, a bad engine control module, ECM, or body control module, BCM, can prevent your vehicle from starting. These computers manage vital communication between systems. If they fail or glitch, they can stop the starter from receiving the go-ahead to crank. And that wraps up the most common causes of a no-crank, no-start condition. I hope this video helped you better understand what might be going wrong with your car. If you found this useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.